Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Sahara. We've got a 3.5-inch lift, some 20x12 wheels with a negative 44mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 mud terrain tires. These JLs, absolutely love them. You don't really have to lift them to fit a big tire. It's a 3.5-inch lift. It clears 37s. Honestly, absolutely no problem. If you want to go on the trails, great setup already. It's going to be up to your personal opinion, what you want to run. So 3.5-inch lift, absolutely no problem clearing 35s. I would go with 37s, but if you wanted to ride a little bit better and not wear and not be as hard on your Jeep, go with 35s, but that's up to you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.